Hi, this is Dylan with Stinger, and I'm happy to show you the new SRX TAC16128 HORIZON12 integrated kit for the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Now let's get right to it and find out what's inside the box. Now that we have all this laid out, let's go over what all of this stuff is. Over here we have our 12.8-inch multifunction display, which is a huge upgrade from the factory 6 or 7-inch. We have our vehicle-specific plastics and radio mounting hardware. And then we have screws and zip ties to keep everything neat and tidy and secured together. We have our main radio brain that controls all the functions of the radio there. We have vehicle-specific harnessing and our radio integration modules. These are vehicle specific and will retain features like steering wheel controls, your backup camera, so on and so forth. And then we have our radio accessory harnesses as well for additional things like amplifiers and the such. We even give you a nice little microfiber cloth to clean off your fingerprints from the screen there. All right, that is everything included with the SRX TAC16128 integrated kit. Be sure to check out the installation video on Stinger's YouTube channel. Once again, this is Dylan with Stinger. Thanks for watching.